Good morning, world. It is day 4 of being on the road, and this is how I woke up. Look how beautiful this is. It's stunning out here. It's like 7 o'clock right now, and I am just about to journal. I think I'm gonna make some coffee today and edit some videos, and then I'm hitting the road, headed to Moab, Utah. I think I'm gonna meet up with another van lifer Ben from my previous videos a couple back and chill today. Alrighty guys, so I just got some editing done, journaled a little bit this morning, went on a little walk, and I am about to make some breakfast, clean up, and then I'm off. I'm headed to Moab, Utah today, so I'm gonna drive there. It's about 5 hours, so that should be fun. And I'm gonna stop at another gas station and try to upload these videos because it's driving me crazy that I cannot upload them. So if you see these videos, you know I did it. And if you don't, then, well, I'm SOL, and I'm not sure what to do, which sucks, but, gonna try to get this shit uploaded. Well, y'all, a fun way to start my morning, my fridge is not working. It's, like, turning on, running, and then just shutting off, and then turning right back on. I'm pretty sure I have sufficient power. I mean, I have 28 kilowatts of energy stored up in my battery, so I should be fine. And, so I just messaged them, and hopefully they'll get back to me. And so I can figure this out because I need a fridge to be working. But I'm gonna go hike up to the top real quick and put a little rock up there. It says Hands Van Ventures if you find this rock. So I made a picture of it. Okay, I am uploading a video. I'm parked outside of a gas station and it's at 50% and I'm so excited. So I'm probably gonna be here for honestly probably another hour or two because I need to get these videos up and running. But thankfully I have 4 videos ready to go, and hopefully you guys can see them all. So while my videos are uploading, I have 3 down on my last video right now. I'm gonna wash some dishes and clean up a little bit before I leave. I've been here for like almost 2 hours just trying to get these videos uploaded, but that's okay, it's worth it, and I'm really excited that you guys are now able to see all of these videos. So yeah, time to get cleaning. And we are off to Moab, Utah, baby. Utah. I'm like an hour south of Moab. I just got here. Holy shit, what a drive it was here. 2 cars were coming the other way, 2 separate times. And we're passing other people and literally almost head-on collision. I had to stop so hard. My drawers and shit just went flying everywhere. But I'm here and it is beautiful.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old ones gone.
So I just took a little shower in the lake and it was so nice. It's very cold. I'm in Utah, so it probably just got done snowing. There's still snow in the mountains, and I'm just waiting for my friend Ben. We're just gonna hang out. I'm tired. I think the drive today, it was a little stressful, and I think that drained me a little bit. So I'm gonna set up my hammock and just chill. So it has been an amazing day so far. It is 6 o'clock. Yeah, so it was kind of stressful with the whole car ride and everything. But I got here, I went on a walk. I got a workout in, which was a super awesome workout, and I also did some physical therapy for my knee. Shout out to Zach over at Integrated Orthopedics. I'm doing my shit. And yeah, it's 6 o'clock, still so light out, and I'm probably just gonna hang out the rest of the night, make some dinner, read a book. I don't have any service out here, so it's kind of nice just to be here in the moment, you know. But that's probably it for tonight. I hope you guys had an amazing day. I know I did. Drive safe, don't try to pass people like an idiot, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye, you guys.
Beginning to thaw.